Are Forex signals worth it? Can you make it rain with Forex signals? Can you actually make a living trading Forex signals? In this video, I'm going to reveal the truth about Forex signals. Hello and welcome to the Pine Street Capital YouTube channel where we talk all things trading and investing. My name is Ron and I'm the managing partner of Pine Street Capital. I've been trading for over 6 years and today we are going to be talking about Forex signals. Forex signals are messages or alerts sent to you by another trader telling you when to buy and when to sell. And why do people buy Forex signals? Because in theory, if a profitable trader tells you when they're buying and when they're selling, and you do the exact same thing at the exact same time, in theory, you can probably make the same amount of money that they're making, right? But I can tell you right now, after years of experience and seeing everything in this industry, it almost never works out like that. So why do most people lose money trading Forex signals? Well, there are two main reasons, and these two reasons are intertwined. And the first reason is that, most of the Forex signals that people are buying are Forex signals from unreliable people who aren't even profitable traders that sell them a lifestyle, right? That's the first reason. And the second reason is because people are trying to cheat the process. There's only one path to profitability within this industry. I know the whole earn while you learn thing might sound good in theory, but in practice it almost never happens like that. And when you try to cheat the process, then you're going to lose money. As in, what you need to do is you need to learn the basics, master the skill, and after that, you'll make money. So that's the second reason why people lose money trading Forex signals. It's because they're trying to cheat the process of learning how to trade. Covering the reason of unreliable signal providers, which are, by the way, the majority of the industry within signal providers, right? Now, these people are not masters of trading, although their Instagram accounts that show lifestyle pictures of them with nice cars, fancy houses, and things like that. These guys are not masters of trading. They're masters of human psychology. They know their customer and they know exactly what they need to tell their customer in order to get them to buy. So what's the playbook for the average signal provider? They usually fill their social media pages with content that really has no substance or any useful information for everyone. These are usually pictures of cars, houses, expensive bottles of champagne and things like that, right? And once they've done that, another thing they also post is MetaTrader 4 screenshots. As in, like, that is classic signal provider. They show you MetaTrader 4 screenshots of the 20,000 Rand they made in the last hour, or the 50,000 Rand that they made 2 minutes ago, or something like that. So that's their social media content, right? And once they've got their social media down, the next thing that they do is they start to tailor the message to things that you would want to hear about their trading performance as a beginner. They throw things at you like copy and paste and then you profit when you buy the signals, 97.77% accuracy and 25% weekly returns and things like that. And they also tell you this is guaranteed profit. And for any person who's done any kind of research, you can already tell that's a red flag. But this draws people in even more, right? And the very last thing they do is they know a lot of the beginners who haven't done research are going to ask really stupid questions, right? So they're going to prepare responses for each of those stupid questions. Some of these questions include things like,
what's your win rate?
99.7%.
Can you show me proof that your trading strategy works?
Sure, here's some MetaTrader 4 screenshots. By the way, they're on a demo account, but I'm not going to tell you that.
How much am I going to make daily, monthly, and weekly?
Well, we're very conservative, but we do 25% weekly returns.
If you actually do the math, 25% weekly returns compounded over 52 weeks, that's $10 million. Do most of these guys make $10 million? I don't know.
Can you show me testimonials?
Yeah, sure. I'll send you a few screenshots of conversations I've had with myself using my 2 phones.
Will I make my money back if I subscribe to your service?
Everyone's making their money back.
So, those are the questions beginners ask, and 9 times out of 10 they don't tell you the important information. They haven't even given you information as to whether or not they are actually profitable traders. And the truth is, 99% of signal providers are not profitable traders. Why? Because you don't need to be a profitable trader to be a signal provider. And we won't even go into whether or not the lifestyles they're showing you are actually real or not, because that's an entire other video. My main point is this: most signal providers are probably going to sell you signals that don't even work. But let's actually talk about the minority, because they are a minority of signal providers who actually are good and profitable traders, and they have good intentions of providing you with quality signals, right? And I'm speaking from experience because I was actually one of those signal providers, but I don't provide signals anymore, and this is why. So I used to send full details of every trade that I was taking, my entry, my stop loss, my take profit, and alerts whenever I'd close part of the position, alerts whenever a stop loss was hit, everything, right? And during those months, I made money on every single month, right? And I even showed my members a MyFX book link of the progress that I was making with my account, right? But at the end of the month, 90% of my members actually came out in a loss. And I was wondering, why is that? Why is it that if we are all taking the same trades, and I can show you a track record of every single trade that I've taken, and you can clearly see that I've made money, why have you made a loss? So when I investigated this further, what I found was a lot of people were losing money because of lack of risk management, missing trades, no stop losses, and emotional trading. I mean, in some cases, some people would take profits immediately after the trade has hit five pips into, well, once the trade was 5 pips in profit, right? And obviously over time that leads to a very bad risk reward ratio, and all it takes is one trade to wipe you out. This just goes to show that even if I had given these traders the best signals in the world, right, they were still going to come out in a loss because of the fact that they had a crack in their foundation. And that crack in their foundation is only there because they tried to cheat the process. If you're looking for signals, the mere fact is that you're trying to cheat the process. And whenever you try to cheat the process, you're going to end up losing money. And there's only one path to profitability in this business. Number 1, you learn the basics. Number 2, you master the skill. Number 3, that's when you make money, right? And trying to piggyback off someone else's trades isn't going to help you, it's going to hurt you. I know that the whole earn while you learn thing might have a good ring to it, but it almost never works out like that in practice, right? In order to actually take trades on properly, you need to have built up these skills within your foundation. And the moment you don't have that, you're always going to lose money even with the best signals in the world. Following signals isn't just copying and pasting. There are psychological and decision-making inputs involved amongst other things, right? And once you've built these into your foundation, then you won't even need the signals in the first place, right? So what I'd suggest is you invest in your education and actually learn how to do this properly rather than wasting your time and money on Forex signals. If you've made it this far, this is the end of the video. So if you like this content, hit the like button below. And if you'd like to see more content just like it, subscribe to the Pine Street Capital YouTube channel and join our Telegram community using the first link in the description. But other than that, I'll see you in the next one.